Learn salsa dancing for beginners in 30 days. No partner needed. Today, we'll practice a series of short sequences using steps we learned throughout this 30-day course. Since this is the final day, we'll focus on more advanced combinations. Each footwork combination can be used as a template to lead a wide range of unique, impressive, and exciting salsa patterns. We will start with the right pass that ends with a reverse swap. Cross to the back, front, side, and then the reverse swap. Back, forwards, rotate, and then CBL with the hook. Front, side, open, hook to the back, and spin. Are you ready? Yeah, day 30. Turn to your left and let's start. One basic offline to the right. 1, 2, 3. Now let's go offline to the right. 5, cross over the line and forward. Now right pass, cross to the back, front, side, now reverse swap. Back, forwards and rotate to the left. Now CBL with a hook. Front, side, open. Now the hook to the back and then spin. Basic offline to the right. On the line. 2, 3. Now getting offline. Back, cross over the line, forward. Now right pass. Cross to the back, front, side. Now reverse swap. Back, forwards, rotate to the left. Now CBL with the hook. Front, side, open. Now the hook. Cross to the back and spin. Basic offline to the right. On the line, 2, 3, doing great. Back, cross over the line, forwards. Now right pass. Cross to the back, front, side. Now reverse swap. Back, forwards, rotate to the left. CBL with the hook. Front, side, open. Now the hook. And then full speed. One basic, offline to the right. On the line and now off the line. And right pass. Back, side reverse swap. And CBL with the hook. Front, open. And basic offline to the right. On the line and right swap. Now, back, side reverse swap. And CBL with the hook. Front, open and basic offline to the right. On the line and right pass. Now, and reverse swap. CBL with the hook. Front, open, hook, spin. Basic and basic slow. And a new sequence. Yeah. RCBL offline and right pass and the reverse swap. Let's go. RCBL offline. Front, in place, side, cross to the back, open, in place. Now right pass, cross to the back, front, side, now the reverse swap. Back, forwards, rotate to the left. Basic. And let's do it again. Yes, reverse CBL offline. Right pass and reverse swap. Let's go. Reverse CBL offline. Front, in place, side, cross to the back, open, in place. Now right pass. Cross to the back, front, side, now reverse swap. Back, forwards, rotate to the left. Basic. Yes, you're doing great. Don't forget to smile. Let's go again. Reverse CBL offline, right pass and reverse swap. Go. Front, in place, side, cross to the back, open, in place. Now right pass, cross to the back, front, side, now reverse swap. Back, forwards, rotate and full speed. Basic. 1. And let's go. Reverse CBL offline. Front, side and right pass. Yeah. And reverse swap. And basic. Let's do it again. Reverse CBL offline. Let's go. Front, side, and right pass. Now. And reverse swap. And basic. 1 more. Let's go. Reverse CBL offline. Front, side, and right pass. And a reverse swap. And now the 360 with an anchor and then the swap 360. Anchor, back, cross to the front, open, cross to the back, rotate and on the line. Turn around and cross body lead offline to the right. Front, side, open and offline to the right. In place, cross over the line and forwards. Now 360 with an anchor. On the line, twist, open, in place, on the line, anchor. Now the swap 360. Back, cross to the front, open, cross to the back, rotate on the line. CBL offline. Front, side, open, in place, cross over the line and forward. Now 360 with an anchor. On the line, twist, open, in place, on the line, anchor. Now swap 360. Back, cross to the front, open, cross to the back, rotate and on the line. CBL offline. Front, side, open, doing great. In place, cross over the line and forwards. Now 360 with an anchor. On the line, twist, open, in place, on the line and anchor. Now the swap 360. Back, cross to the front, open, cross to the back, rotate and full speed. CBL offline. Go. Front, open and over the line. 360. And swap 360. Anchor. Back. Open and CBL offline. Front, open and 360 and swap 360. Anchor, back, open and CBL offline. Front, open and 360. Twist, open and swap 360. Anchor, back, open, rotate and basic. Now a new sequence starting with a CBL with an anchor. Front, side, open, then half swap offline. In place, on the line, anchor, half swap offline. Back, cross to the front, open, now offline to the right. In place, cross over the line and forwards, now 360. On the line, twist, open. In place, on the line and forwards, now CBL with an anchor. Front, side, open, then the half swap. In place, on the line, anchor, now half swap offline. Back, cross to the front, open. In place, cross over the line and forwards, now 360. On the line, twist, open. In place, on the line, and forwards, now CBL with an anchor. Front, side, open, doing great. In place, on the line, anchor, now half swap offline. Back, cross to the front, open, in place, cross over the line and forwards, now 360. On the line, twist, open and full speed, CBL with an anchor. Let's go. Front, open and half swap. Anchor, back, open and over the line, 360. Twist, open and CBL with an anchor. Front, open and half swap offline. Anchor, back, open and over the line, 360. Twist, open and CBL with an anchor. Front, open and half swap offline. Anchor, back, open and over the line, 360. Twist, open and back on the line. Turn around, one basic slow, and a new sequence, yes! Starting with reverse CBL offline. Are you ready? Let's go. Reverse CBL offline. Front, in place, side. Cross to the back, open, in place. Now right pass. Cross to the back, front, side. Now reverse swap. Back, forwards, rotate to the left. CBL with the hook. Front, side, open, now the hook. Hook to the back and spin. Now reverse CBL offline. Back on the line, in place, side, cross to the back, open, in place. Now right pass. Cross to the back, front, side. Now reverse swap. Back, forwards and rotate to the left. CBL with the hook. Front, side, open, now the hook. Hook to the back, spin and full speed, one basic, let's go. Back on the line and reverse CBL offline. Go. Front, side and right pass now. And reverse swap and CBL with the hook. Front, open, reverse CBL offline, front, side, and right pass. Now, and reverse swap, CBL with a hook, front, open, hook, spin, basic. And now basic slow and a new sequence. Start with half swap offline to the right. Let's go. 5, 6, anchor. Now half swap. Back, cross to the front, open. Now offline to the right. In place, cross over the line and forwards. Now 360 with an anchor. On the line, twist. Open. In place, on the line, anchor. Now swap 360. Back, cross to the front, open. To the back, rotate and anchor, half swap offline. Back, cross to the front, open. In place, cross over the line and forwards. Now 360 with an anchor on the line. Twist, open. In place, on the line, anchor. Now swap 360. Back, cross to the front, open. Cross to the back, rotate and full speed. One basic, let's go. And half swap offline. 5, 6, anchor, back, and over the line, 360, and swap 360, anchor, back, open and half swap, anchor, back, open and over the line, 360, twist, open and swap 360, anchor, back, open, close to the back, rotate on the line, and thank you very much for joining me.